Hi, I'm Jeremy. This is How to Enjoy Life. The reason it's important to enjoy life is because a lot of the time we just don't. We don't let ourselves, we don't make time for it. We often don't even know how to. Everybody, I guess, everybody. A small number of people, we probably know, most of us know one or two people who have a tremendous capacity to enjoy life quite effortlessly. But those people are pretty few and far between. And I think most people would benefit from stopping to think about not kind of enjoyment in the abstract, but the course and the classes specifically about the things that bring us personally pleasure, those things that make us enjoy life rather than generic answers. Well, we start with some of the obstacles to enjoying life, that we don't think enjoyment is important enough, that we think we're often ashamed of some of the things that we enjoy. We think people think us uncool or unhip or whatever. And then we'll look at some different techniques for really sort of bringing out and examining the things that you already enjoy and appreciating them more, appreciating their value a bit better. There's a section about art and how artists can show us the little details that we often miss, whether it's the colour of vegetables or the clouds in the sky, just the little kind of free pleasures that are all around us that often we're in too much of a hurry to notice or appreciate. That I think is super useful. Is it that obvious? I mean, we all pay sort of lip service to the pursuit of happiness and trying to enjoy it, but often in the choices we make, it's like we're afraid of enjoyment or being happy. That we're always deferring it or slightly ashamed of saying, you know, I'm doing nothing today, I'm just enjoying life. I like cooking, I love cooking. One of the kind of smallest everyday pleasures we can have, and the business of chopping goes right from the start, where you go and you choose the vegetables, the meat or whatever, you chop, you prepare, you put them together, and then at the end you eat the meal. That's one of the things I really enjoy about life. My name is Jeremy, and I'll see you at the School of Life, Taipei.